Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kezhaya, and I want to welcome you to the auto shop. We're here in our kitchen, so to speak. We've got one of our master techs, Tim, is working on a drive shaft, and the question is, how important is a Zerk fitting? Well, half of you might be going, a Zerk fitting? I've heard that term. What does that mean? Well, this little piece right here is a Zerk fitting, and that's the part. This is a universal joint, by the way, and the universal joint goes into a drive shaft. And these little caps on the end spin. And why is that important? As this drive shaft turns, it has to be able to maintain its direction. So this spins and allows this to spin and be at a different angle. Now, what in the heck does that have to do with a Zerk fitting? As you can see here, we have these lines on this drive shaft to mark the location so that when we put this together, we make sure that this piece is back with this piece. It's aligned. Otherwise, it could be out of balance and we'd have to have this whole thing rebalanced. And you're thinking, okay, all that's a great story, but what the heck's that got to do with a Zerk fitting? So the Zerk fitting, and most people don't do this anymore in most shops, this is where we take a grease gun and we lubricate. Why do we lubricate it? Because inside here, and I'm going to get my little lights so you can see, but inside, this has got needle bearings in it. And all of these bearings are packed with a grease, okay? And this grease allows this cap or cup, as it's called, to constantly spin. And as you're driving down the road at 50 miles an hour, this thing is really cranking up pretty good. Okay? Now, when this thing runs out of grease, look what it does. This is a bad one. I'm going to get my little light over here again and take a look. The needle bearings are completely destroyed. And it affects this. This is supposed to be a straight piece. And you can see how it's damaged. But look at this side. This side's even better. I don't need to have a light for this one, do I? Look at how it's destroyed. If this thing had come loose and broken just a little bit more, thank God it was on the rear. This came off the back of the drive shaft. If this had come off the front of the drive shaft, this piece would have broken off and hit the ground and possibly cause the truck to jackknife up in the air. Could be very dangerous. So it's very important that you have, when you get your oil serviced and they do a lube job, that they really know what they're doing and they even lube the drive shaft. Very, very important for the safety of your passengers and you. And that's what we do here at the auto shop. You can come see us at Jupiter and Plano Parkway. You can look online at www.theautoshop.com, or of course, call us for an appointment at 972-578-0588 and click the little like button wherever it is over there. Tell all your friends. And I'm Jerry Kezhaya. I want to say thanks for watching. See you next time.